We've been talking about this warmer weather that we're seeing all day long with Mary Marshall. And as the warmer months ramp up, tick season is also ramping up across the region. And health officials say prevention is more important now than ever. The city of Alexandria is launching a new campaign to help residents stay safe outdoors with everything from park signage to free tick removal tools and community events. And joining us live to talk about it, all the prevention that's available, is Dr. David Rose with the Alexandria Health Department. Dr. Rose, good morning.
Good morning.
All righty, so let's get right into it here because we want to be outside enjoying all that the DMV has to offer, but tick-borne illnesses, they're on the rise in the Commonwealth. What's driving the increase and how concerned should residents be right now?
Well, residents should definitely be prepared to be outside, prepared for the season. We know that because we're having mild winters for the last several years now, you can't count this winter, but mild winters over the last several years in this region, meaning Virginia, West Virginia, Maryland, we have an expansion of the territory of the ticks that cause various different diseases. And people are getting outside. We have a very active and engaged community, and so they're out and about. They can be in the woods, in areas where there's brush and high weeds and such. We know we're going to have tick exposures. Now, as you said, this is the most active time of the year for ticks between April and September, peaks about June, July. So it's all about being prepared and being aware.
Dr. Rose, we're seeing some of the signage we were talking about there. Before we move on, could you just tell us about the effort and what's new? What are you doing that's new to make sure people are aware?
Well, this is a partnership with the Alexandria Recreation Parks and Cultural Activities, our local rec and parks, to get the word out to people who are on the trails in the city. We have signs that are out that tell people to just remind them to do tick checks on themselves, their pets, and their children periodically. We're doing info sessions at rec centers and parks, so we're out actually engaging people. And as you said, we're providing these cards that help to identify the ticks. They help to remove the ticks, and they even give you a QR code. So if you're questioning what kind of tick it is, you can send that picture, and we'll have that identified for you. So it's a broad range of things that we're providing, just again to boost that confidence, so you can enjoy the outdoors.
Sure, and we're spending more time outdoors. That is the given. But let me just, in the time that we have, if you do find a tick, what is that way? I have had dogs for a number of years, and I think I know, but what's the proper way to identify what you're looking at here, and how do we remove it?
Well, you want to look for something that is very, very small, especially this time of year where the nymphs, they can almost look like black sesame seeds. So they're going to be as big as 5 millimeters, but as small as 2. So you're going to have to look very, very closely to yourself. When you're doing a tick check, you're checking your hairline, where any place where clothes meets your skin, belt line, hairline, armpits, behind your knee, and other nooks and crannies like your belly button. You want to make sure that if you find something that you're using fine tweezers, you're grabbing close to the skin, making sure you get the head, and you want to pull straight up without twisting. And some of the old things about alcohol or Vaseline and things you'd apply, you'd want to avoid all of that, just that straight removal.
Okay, we got to end it there. Could lead to a serious illness, though. Take this very, don't take it lightly. Dr. David Rose is with the Alexandria Health Department. We thank you for your time this morning.
Thank you very much.